You want to fix your sleep schedule in one day. Maybe you've got a test coming up. Maybe you just want your days back. Whatever the reason, by the end of this, you'll know exactly how. Step 1. Pick one wake-up time and refuse to move it. But how do you pick it? Not by what feels realistic. Pick the time you actually need to be awake and set it for tomorrow. Not 20 minutes earlier every few days. Tomorrow. Same time on Saturday too. The weekend lie-in isn't recovery. It's the thing that breaks this again every week. Here's why the wake-up beats the bedtime. Your body has a clock, and it doesn't take orders at night. It reads when your day starts. Bedtime isn't a lever, it's a result. So dragging yourself up at 7 isn't about surviving one morning. It's you telling your body when tonight ends. But getting out of bed is only half of it. Your clock still doesn't know you're awake. Something has to tell it, and it isn't your alarm. Step 2. Get real light into your eyes in the first few minutes. Here's where almost everyone gets fooled. They open the curtains, they switch on every lamp, they sit by the window with a coffee. That does almost nothing. Your eyes are liars. They adjust so fast that a bright room and a gray street feel the same. They're nowhere close. Outside on a cold, miserable, cloudy morning is still far brighter than the brightest room in your house. And glass eats most of what gets in. So go outside. Not for an hour. 10 minutes on the step. Walking to the corner. Taking the bin out. Rain is fine. Gray is fine. Sunglasses off. That's the signal that starts the clock. And the clock decides when you get sleepy tonight. But light only opens the day. 2 more things have to confirm it. Step 3. Eat something early, then move. Why would breakfast change when you fall asleep? Because the clock isn't only in your head. Your stomach keeps time too. Food is a signal. So is moving. Eat within an hour of waking, even something small. Then move. A walk, some stairs, anything that isn't sitting. Do it outside and you've done step 2 at the same time. Now flip it around. If food says the day has started, what does a big meal at 11 at night say? Exactly. That the day is still going. So your last real meal moves earlier. Nothing to do with calories. You're just done sending start signals. Everything so far has been building one thing you can't see. And at about 3 in the afternoon, you're going to try very hard to throw it away. Step 4. Protect the tiredness you've been building all day. Don't spend it. From the moment you wake up, pressure to sleep starts stacking. That pressure is what drops you at 11 instead of 3. A nap spends it. 20 minutes on the couch at 3 feels like mercy. It isn't. You just drained the exact battery you needed tonight, so no naps. Don't lie down. Don't rest your eyes. If you're wrecked, stand up and go back outside. Caffeine does something sneakier. Coffee doesn't give you energy. It hides the pressure. Drink it late and you'll still be hiding it at midnight. Cut it off by early afternoon. And day 1 will be rough. That's not the plan failing. Rough is the plan working. You're supposed to reach tonight completely empty, which leaves one job left. Step 5. At night, you don't make yourself sleep. You stop blocking it. This is the part everyone else leads with. Cool room, dark room, screens off. They're not wrong. They've just got the job wrong. None of it puts you to sleep. It only gets out of the way. Think of a car rolling downhill. The last hour before bed isn't the engine. It's taking your foot off the brake. So drop the lights for that last hour. Big lights off, small lamps on. Bright light late doesn't just keep you up. It tells your clock the day isn't over and shoves tomorrow later again. Cool room, properly dark. Then the strange part. Don't try. Trying is effort. And effort is the one thing sleep won't survive. You never fall asleep on purpose. You just stop getting in the way. So that's the day. A wake-up time you don't negotiate. Real light, outside, early. Food and movement to confirm it. Guard the tiredness. Then lift your foot off the brake. One honest thing, one day buys you one on-time night. It takes a few more before it stops feeling like work. But the drift stops tomorrow morning. Because you can't schedule sleep. You can only schedule the morning that earns it.